Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Bhavani Commerce Academy. Today we will see final accounts with adjustments. Here given trial balance as well as adjustments. So trial balance amount only comes one time, either trading account or profit and loss account or balance sheet. Only one time, అంటే ఒకటేసారి వస్తుంది. ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ లో కానీ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ లో కానీ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లో కానీ ఒకేసారి వచ్చేది ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అమౌంట్. అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్, దీస్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ విల్ కమ్స్ 2 times. సో అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ లో ఇచ్చిన అమౌంట్ వచ్చి 2 times పోస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడ పోస్ట్ చేయాలి? ఐదర్ ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ అండ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఆర్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ అండ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఆర్ ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ అండ్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్. Depends on adjustment, we will post 2 times. Okay. So already I uploaded 14 adjustments of final accounts. If you want that video, it is given in the description box. You can check it out. So let me remind you where we can post these adjustments. సో ఈ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ మనం ఎక్కడ పోస్ట్ చేయాలనేది ఒక్కసారి రిమైండ్ చేసుకుందాం. క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ 12,000. వేర్ వీ షుడ్ రైట్ క్లోజింగ్ స్టాక్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ అమౌంట్ విల్ అపియర్ 2 times. Already we know that. Where we should post? If it is closing stock, trading account credit side, balance sheet asset side. So it will comes under trading account credit side, balance sheet asset side. Then outstanding wages. Outstanding wages are nothing but outstanding expenditure. What we should do, we need to add that value. Where we should add? In trading or profit and loss account debit side we need to add. So it is outstanding wages. Wages will appear in the trading account debit side. So that in trading account debit side we need to add that item. Okay. And second time balance sheet liability side we need to show. And next, interest received in advance. So if it is interest received in advance, that is nothing but income received in advance. It will appear 2 times. Where? Under profit and loss account credit side, because credit side we have incomes, all incomes and gains credit side in profit and loss account. Yes. So profit and loss account credit side, you need to deduct that value. Okay. Then balance sheet liability side we need to show. Okay. Commission receivable is nothing but receivable means we will receive in the future. So it's a outstanding amount, outstanding income. If it is outstanding income, where we should write? That should be added. Then profit and loss account credit side we have all incomes are there. There we need to add that outstanding income. Then balance sheet asset side we need to show. Okay, clear? Let's start our solution. So before starting trading and profit and loss account, first these adjustment related items in the trial balance is there or not, first we need to check. Okay. So closing stock, it will not appear in the trial balance. Closing stock always comes under adjustments. Outstanding wages. So here we need to check whether there is a wages or not. So here we have wages. Tick that. Next, interest received in advance. So received means it's a receipt. It will available in the credit side of trial balance. So credit side, is there interest? Yes, we have interest. So tick that. Next, commission receivable. Commission receivable. Receivable means it's a receipt. It is available in the trading account credit side. Is there commission in the credit side of trial balance? Yes, we have commission. Okay. So adjustment ki sambandhinchina details anni tick cheskuన్న tarvata, first we need to write trading account details. Okay. In the trading account, what details we need to write? What are the details we need to write in the debit side and credit side? Opening stock, it will comes under trading account debit side. Purchases, it is also trading account debit side. Rent, it is a indirect expenditure. So it will comes under profit and loss account. Okay, see, opening stock, trading account. Purchases, trading account. Rent, profit and loss account. Salaries, it is also indirect expenditure. It will comes under profit and loss account. Wages is a direct expenditure. So it is a trading account. Okay. Carriage inwards. So carriage inwards is a direct expenditure. So it is a trading account. All direct expenses will comes under trading account. All indirect expenses will comes under profit and loss account. Okay. So carriage outwards. So carriage outwards are nothing but carriage on sales. Carriage inwards are nothing but carriage on purchases. Okay. So carriage on purchases will comes under trading account. Carriage on sales are comes under profit and loss account. Carriage outwards is also called carriage on sales. Land and building is a asset. Investment is a asset. Loose tools are the asset. discount. So discount paid or discount received. If it is debit balance, that is paid. So profit and loss account, debit side we need to write. So if it is credit side discount, that will be comes under credit side of the profit and loss account. That is discount received, because all receipts comes under profit and loss account credit side. Okay. And interest, it is under debit balances. So it is interest paid. So it will comes under profit and loss account debit side. Telephone charges, it is a expenditure, profit and loss account. Printing stationery, profit and loss account. Furniture is a asset. Return inwards are nothing but sales returns. When you are selling goods, if there is any damages, so the person will return goods to us. So that is return inwards. So that is a sales return. Sales return, it is deducted from the sales. Okay. And coming to credit side, capital will comes under liabilities. Interest, it is in the credit balances, means it is interest received. It will comes under credit side of the profit and loss account. Return outwards, when you purchase goods, if you have any damages, that goods are returned to supplier. Return outwards, that will comes under, that is nothing but purchase returns. Purchase returns are minus from purchases. Okay. Sales are the income. It will comes under trading account credit side. So commission, it is available in the credit balances. So it is commission received. If it is available in the debit balances, that is commission paid. But it is in the credit balances, means it is commission received. So it will comes under profit and loss account credit side. Creditors, it's a liability. Okay. So already we know the trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet formats. So if you know that formats, it is very easy. First, we need to identify whether it is a direct expenditure or indirect expenditure or asset or liability. First, we need to identify. Okay. So after identification completed, then we need to start the solution. So here we have opening stock, where we should write trading account to opening stock. Opening stock will comes under debit side of the trading account, that is 7,000. Purchases will comes under same trading account debit side. So what is the amount? 9,000. So I'm writing in the inner column because we have purchase returns. So return outwards are the purchase returns. So if you have purchase returns are there, that will be deducted from the purchases. So minus purchase returns. How much purchase returns are there? 500. So 9,000 minus 500, 8,500 outer column amount. Next, rent is a indirect expenditure, where we should write profit and loss account. So up to here trading account, here onwards profit and loss account. So to rent, what is the amount of rent? 1,200. Next, salaries. Salaries is a indirect expenditure, that is profit and loss account debit side. Salaries 1,500. Next, here we have wages. Wages is a direct expenditure, that is comes under trading account debit side. And here we have tick mark. Tick mark means we have adjustment. If you have adjustment, the amount will be inner column, because we need to adjust that amount. After adjusting, you need to write outer column amount. Okay. So wages comes under trading account. So what is the amount of wages? 1,000 rupees. Okay. And next, carriage inwards. So carriage inwards are nothing but it is a carriage on purchases. It will comes under trading account. So give some space for the adjustment of wages. Then write carriage on purchases. So carriage on purchase are nothing but carriage inwards. Okay. What is the amount here? 1,050. And next, carriage outwards. It's a carriage on sales. It will comes under profit and loss account debit side. Both are expenses only. So carriage outwards 450. Okay. So land and building asset, that will comes under asset side of the balance sheet. Okay. And loose tools also asset. Investment also asset. So we need to show in the asset side of the balance sheet. And next, డిస్కౌంట్ మనకి డెబిట్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి డిస్కౌంట్ పెయిడ్. సో ఇట్ విల్ కమ్స్ అండర్ debit side profit and loss account. If it is in the credit side balances, that will be discount received. So if it is discount received, comes under profit and loss account credit side, but it is given in the debit balances, so it is discount paid. So it will comes under profit and loss account debit. Interest paid. Okay, interest it is in the debit balances, so it is interest paid, that is comes under profit and loss account debit side. Telephone charges, profit and loss account debit side. Printing stationery, profit and loss account debit side. So here we need to write like this: discount, interest, then telephone charges, what is the amount of telephone charges? 700. Printing and stationery, 900. Okay, and next furniture is a asset. Written inwards. Furniture is an asset, where we should write under balance sheet asset side. What is the amount here? 18,000. Okay, and written inwards, it is the sales return, that is deducted from sales. Okay, where is the sales? In the trading account credit side, we need to write by sales. It is the sales amount, it is available in the credit balances, sales. Okay, that amount you need to write over there. 16,000 inner column, because we have sales returns. So minus sales returns, how much? 200. Okay, so deduct this value, we'll get 15,800. And next, so debit side balances are completed. From credit side, we have capital, where we should write capital. Under liability side, we should write capital. Don't mention to buy, because it is a statement, it's not an account. Okay, so what is the amount of capital? 1 lakh. Write in the inner column, because net profit or net loss of the profit and loss account, here we need to adjust. Okay, and next, interest, it is available in the credit balances, so that it is interest received. So interest received, where we should write credit side of profit and loss account by interest. Okay, before writing interest, we need to check whether there is adjustment or not. Already we have tick mark undi kabatti manaku adjustment undi, so amount you need to write in the inner column. So 1500, don't write in the outer column. Okay, next, return outwards, already completed. Return outwards are nothing but purchase returns, already we deducted in the trading account debit side. Yes, next, sales, already we taken in the trading account credit side. Next, commission, it is available in the credit balances, so it is a commission received, where we should write trading account credit side by commission. Okay, so what is the amount here? 1,000, and here we have tick mark. Yes, so we have adjustment, so write in the inner column. Next, creditas, it's a liability, so just write down here under liabilities 6,000. Okay, so all the details are completed. One time posting is completed. From trial balance, we posted all the details. Okay, then comes to adjustments. Closing stock, where we should write closing stock? Trading account credit side, balance sheet asset side, because adjustment amount will comes 2 times. Trading account credit side by closing stock. Okay, so what is the amount of closing stock? 12,000. Next, asset side of the balance sheet, closing stock. 12,000. 2 times we need to post like this. So I'm keeping star mark because it is a adjustment. 2 times we posted. Next, outstanding wages 500. What is the adjustment here? Where we should write 2 times. Outstanding expenditure will comes under liability side of the balance sheet, as well as debit side we need to add to related expenditure. So wages are available in the trading account debit side. Here we need to adjust that amount. Already we have inner column amount. Yes, so plus outstanding wages. What is the amount of wages? Outstanding amount 500. So 1,000 plus 500, 1,500. So 1 time is completed. Yes. Again, where we should write? Under liability side of the balance sheet, outstanding wages. How much we added? 500. That amount only we need to write here. 500. So star mark because it is an adjustment. Okay, 2 times we posted. And next, interest received in advance. So interest received in advance, where we should write interest received in advance? So minus from interest in the credit side of profit and loss account. Then we need to show in the liability side of the balance sheet. So already we have interest under profit and loss account credit side. So here we need to deduct interest received in advance. సో అడ్వాన్స్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటే ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మైనస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో అది ఎప్పుడైనా క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద అమౌంట్? 600. సో 1500 minus 600, 900. ఓకే, then this 600 where we should write? Under liability side of the balance sheet. Interest received in advance. What is the amount? 600. సో ఏది డిడక్ట్ చేసామో అదే అమౌంట్ తీసుకోవాలి, బ్యాలెన్స్ అమౌంట్ కాదు. ఓకే, సో 2 times it is completed. Yes. Next, commission receivable 400. Commission receivable means it's outstanding commission. So it's a receivable means it comes under credit side of the profit and loss account. So already we have commission at credit side. So plus outstanding commission. How much outstanding commission? 400. What is the total here? 1400. So this outstanding commission where we should write? Again, asset side of the balance sheet. Outstanding commission 400. Okay. So all the adjustments are posted 2 times. Yes. Once you check closing stock 2 times. Okay. Outstanding wages 2 times. Interest received in advance 2 times. Outstanding commission 2 times. So after checking all the adjustments, do the balance of trading account first. Then we need to do the balance of profit and loss account. Then you need to tally balance sheet. So in trading account, which side is more, debit or credit? So the amount is highest in credit side. See, 15,800 plus 12,000, 27,800. And this one, 7,000 plus 8,500 plus 1,500 plus 1,050. 18,050, which is more, credit side is more. What is the total? 27,800. So 27,800. So which is highest amount? That amount you need to write both sides. 27,800. 27,800 minus this total, that is 18,050. 9,750. Balance amount is 9,750. Okay, what is this called? Gross profit. Gross profit. Because income is more, expenditure is less. So it is profit. Which profit? Gross profit. Trading account result will be gross profit or gross loss. When you will get loss, if expenditure is more, income is less, you will get gross loss. Okay, income is more, expenditure is less, you will get gross profit. So it's a balancing figure. Okay, and that is goes to profit and loss account. So transfer to profit and loss account. Okay, then we need to write it is debit side. When you are transferring, that will be credit side. By gross profit transferred from trading account. What is the amount? 9,750. So after total only I am writing. Yes, because here onwards we have profit and loss account. So after writing gross profit, do this balance. Profit and loss account kuda balance cheyali. 9,750 plus 900 plus 1,400. Total 12,050. Okay. Next here 1,200 plus 1,500 plus 450 plus 1,500 plus 500 plus 700 plus 900. So 6,750. So credit is more, income is more. So what is the total of income? 12,050. So highest amount should be right both sides. Okay. From this 12,050, you need to deduct these values. So So 12,050 minus these expenditure, you will get 5,300. So income is more, expenditure is less. So profit and loss account balancing figure will be called as net profit or net loss. So if income is more, expenditure is less, that is net profit. If expenditure is more, income is less, that is by net loss. Okay, so here we are getting profit because income is more. So transfer to capital account. So capital account, transfer to capital account. Capital is available in the balance sheet, yes. Liability side of the balance sheet. So here we are transferring. So it is a net profit. So plus net profit. If it is net loss, minus net loss. Loss అయితే minus చేయాలి, profit అయితే add చేసుకోవాలి. So 5,300. So 1,05,300. Okay. Then do this balance. It must be tally. Assets are equals to liabilities. 1,05,300 plus 6,000 plus 500 plus 600. Total 1,12,400. Okay. Then asset side 50,000, 20,000, 12,000, 18,000, 12,400. 1,12,400. So assets are equals to liabilities. Yes. So this is our solution. If you want, take a screenshot.